wanted to learn.
God was opening a door and saying, this is where I want to go at this particular time.
From heartfelt testimonies to life-changing sermons.
We want to bring everything that we could to the table to help the people that were in need.
Be inspired by real stories, real miracles, real lives transformed by God. Beauty Breakout TV, here on Live TV. Over 6 decades, one voice has transformed lives.
God sees you sitting there, and He knows your heart, He knows your need, He calls you by name.
His story preaching for purpose, truth, and the life-changing love of God.
If any man hear my voice and open the door, I'll come into it.
Experience timeless biblical mysteries that will keep you God's radiant and lofty love.
This is the most important moment in your life. Don't miss it.
Beauty Breakout Classic, only here on Live TV. Abangan sa good news.
Salamat sa Diyos sa panibagong pagkakataon. Upang tayo magkasama-sama na naman sa isang masaya, bala, magkasama ang kanyang salita. Kaya sama-sama po tayo, mag-aral natin. Upang tayo po ay salita at patuloy na sinusunod ito. Isang pasamahan po kami. Kasama na ang mga mahal sa buhay, mga kapamilya. Dito lang po sa programa natin. Lord Diyos,
Dito lang yan sa Live TV. This week on Living the Blessing.
The Holy Spirit is filling us up. Bakit ko sinasabi? Sinasabi na sa Father who knows the truth. And because ano niya, kung ano niya, may part of ano niya, kung ano yung problema niya, hindi ko support that part. Kaya na, naglalaro tayo. Bring it down to zero. Bring it down to truly developing a relationship with the Holy Spirit. Who's doing that anyone else to do that? The Father, the people come.
Only here on Live TV.
Abangan sa New Life Devotion. Yes, sir, Masina.
That God is persistent and stubborn. Ang pag-ibig ng Diyos ay dito adversities. Tinulungan niya tayong lumampas ang expectation ng Panginoon. Ano? Gamitin nga po part natin, ito po yung what we fail to build in our homes will collapse in our children. Kapag hindi po tama, more we get close to Him, the more we become like Him. Being patient, kind, forgiving, generous, so loving.
Women need to be loved. And it's consistent around the world. And you know what?
Ito lang sa Life TV.
Ang ngayon, buwan na ito na puso.
Just one more.
Magpapatawa at magpapakilig. Ay natin namin all day, every day, dito sa Christian Cinema. Ito lang sa Live TV.
Love is. Love is.
Love is
Love? Gawa-gawa lang yan.
Uso pa ba yan? Oo naman. May kilala akong nagbibigay ng pagmamahal na hindi napapagod.
pagmamahal na hindi nagpupula.
At pagmamahal na hindi nagbabago. Ha? Si Lord. Si Lord? Oo. Si Lord.
Dahil minahal niya tayo, natutunan tayong magmahal.
Because God is love.
Happy Heart Month mula sa Live TV. Gay Salon Street, come all day, every day. Catch Place Incorporated here on Live TV. Ngayong gabi sa Live TV. Ito lang yan sa Live TV.
Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Ito ay nangangailangan ng patnubay at gabay ng magulang para sa mga batang manonood.